What's going on, everybody? So I'm down here at my shop trying to plan out some stuff. As you can see in the title, I'm going to be giving away a GoPro and giving it to a good buddy of mine. He's been helping me out and he has a YouTube channel as well. I'm going to link it below. It's called Hub City Overlanding. Anyways, long story short, I wasn't planning on giving it to him today, so I'm in like a mad rush to try and figure out how to set everything up so I can surprise this guy. He doesn't know that he's getting it. I told his girlfriend, like, how do we get him over here, and hopefully he's going to accept it. But he's been advertising for me for about a year now. I asked him the other day, I said, what are you using for camera equipment? Because he puts out some really good videos. Overlanding stuff, off-roading, camping, all that stuff. So, I mean, if you're interested in some of that stuff, feel free. Go check out his channel. I'm going to go get this stuff out of the truck. I'm going to show you what I got him. And then we're going to get into seeing how he's going to act once he gets everything. I went a little over the top. I lost my GoPro the other day. So instead of me just buying one GoPro, I bought two. And then all the accessories that I wanted, I bought an extra one of those as well. So everything that I'm gonna get, he's gonna get. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. Hopefully everything goes smooth and yeah. So first things first, let's clean off this workbench so we don't get everything all dirty. So we got a GoPro Hero 10. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a little carrying case like this. So I already opened up mine, so I bought 2. Didn't even take off the plastics yet. But yeah. Let's see what else is in this box. This here is my old GoPro stuff from my Hero 8 that I lost. So I'm going to set my stuff off to the side and we'll open up the box. Got the workbench all clean. This is some previous stuff that I already bought. So you can't do an unboxing without Timmy's, I guess. So my buddy Andre brought me a coffee. He said the sugar machine there today is working really good, but not a sugar fan. But too much of a sugar fan. Try it out. And I want a refund if this is no good. Yeah, it's working pretty good. I think that's probably 3 sugars instead of 1. Okay, let's see if everything's here. Oh, we don't want you to see all the invoicing. Holy moly, they gave me a lot of invoicing.
Cut down a tree just for invoice.
Almost. Okay. Whee! All GoPro stuff. So we got quite a bit of things going on here. So one for him, one for me. We got an adventure kit. So comes with a floaty handle and a headband. So we got 2 of them. We got a waterproof case. We got handlebar seat post pole mount, the light mod, the Volta, that's the battery pack selfie stick tripod. We have 2 of those. We have the media mod, the clamp, the jaws with the flex neck on it. We have a floaty device, or a floaty. We have a suction, we have a suction cup. So, half of this is his. I'm giving him away. So, let's put his all back in. Alright, we'll get this stuff in the box. Back in the box. And hopefully I can figure out how to strap a GoPro to my head without looking too suspicious while he's showing up. I'll have to pretend I'm doing like some kind of video or something for my channel. And then it'd be like, hey man, can you go grab something out of that box there for me? And he's gonna open it up and he's gonna be like, surprise! Or something, I don't know. There's a lot of like whatevers, I don't know. What's going on, man? Oh my, still working. Still working.
I'm pretty sure he has no food.
Good. Shh. All right, I gotta get my tire done. Never been so nervous and excited in my life. Hi! Yeah, my truck broke.
Your truck?
Oh, because it's a Ford, not a Toyota.
Yeah, pretty much. I can't afford the gas in a Toyota though, otherwise I'd drive one. But I guess if you look at parts that I gotta repair to the fuel, it'd probably equal out.
Longevity of parts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Although, I mean, if you're not doing what I do, then you'd be fine.
Yeah.
How you liking the new GoPro?
Not bad.
So, what's up with the Ford? Like, what? Right now?
Oh. You don't even want to know. You don't even want to know. You want to see what I got to change on it?
Sorry?
You want to see what I got to change on it?
I mean, yeah, I'm interested.
Look in that box.
Like all this stuff. Damn. Nice, dude. That's amazing. So you got the 10? Is that what that is right now?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. You got more than one?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, man. That's insane. And you got a floaty, right? The must.
So, I picked that up, right? I picked that up.
Holy shit.
Oops.
Already breaking shit.
Hopefully not.
Did you get a deal because you bought a bunch of shit too?
Uno momento here. I gotta move some stuff. So, I got this,
Light mod. Nice.
and I got that.
Holy shit, dude. Are you gonna start selling GoPros now?
Nope. I'm gonna give one away.
Really?
Really?
To who?
To you.
Me? No.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm fucking dead serious.
Dude, no. You
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, seriously.
Really?
Yeah. There's a Hero 10 or GoPro 10 Black, because I got one, right?
Nice.
You got you a floaty in case you come do some camera shit with me on the jet ski.
Okay. Because you can't lose that.
Got, oh, we don't want to drop that. Well, set it down, fucking open it up. Why am I opening it? You open it.
Holy shit, man. Fuck, I don't know what... Can I give you a hug?
After. Look at it first.
Jesus.
Waterproof case.
Protective housing. Holy shit. You got a freaking...
That's that's the media mod. Or no,
No, that's the...
that's the Volta. So that's a tripod stand with an extra battery in it. So you get like 3 to 4 hours of battery life.
Holy shit, man. What the fuck? Like...
And then you got a suction cup. I already knew you had one of them, but I was like, I'll get another one. Because the rubber ends up failing after a while.
It does, yeah.
Floaty thing, in case you want to go swimming. There was this, and then there was like a mouth guard one. Anyways, like you hold it in your mouth, and I was like, yeah, I don't think we're gonna use that. So I didn't feel like paying the extra $10 or whatever it was.
Oh, this is like a handlebar, yeah?
Yeah, handlebar. There was a pole mount, and I was thinking about your back rack,
Oh, yeah.
and it was bigger. And it went up to X amount of inch or whatever, so
Right,
I was gonna do that, but
Holy shit, man, you... I want to cry, but not really.
not on camera, please not on camera.
Cut! No, I'm just joking. Oh, fuck, man, like... Why? I mean, I'm like good at giving shit, but like sometimes I'm bad at taking it. Like...
Well, you're taking it anyways, because I can't fucking return it.
Well, no, I will take it. Fuck, man, like...
No, well, you advertise for me, and if I pay somebody else, right? If I pay somebody else, it's $100 a month. So, I mean, you've been advertising, you didn't ask for nothing, whatever. I was like, well, he was saying he uses a cheap old GoPro, and it's a pain in the ass because, you know, his wife's always out using the other GoPro, and he has to like stick his arm out the window and try and get a rock shot with a DSLR. And I was like, I'll just buy 2 of everything.
Okay. Are you a hug person-ish? No, seriously, dude.
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate it. Honestly, like, fuck.
So you gonna open your shit up or what? Because I've been waiting all day for an unboxing.
Oh, that's so cool, man. I appreciate this.
It cost me a lot.
I'm
You're
not
like a
gonna-
boyfriend I never wanted.
But do it.
I'll allow it. I'll allow it.
Yeah. It's like, sweet, I don't gotta buy it. And you know what was even more crazy? My wife was okay with it.
What?
Oh yeah, I was like, I told her, I said, I'm gonna buy Ryan a GoPro. She's like, okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, go check out Ryan's channel, Hub City Overlanding. I'll link it in the description below. And yeah,
We'll see some new content with the new gear. Let's do it.
sounds good. Peace.